Hola mamis, today I'm going to be teaching you how to flat twist your hair two ways. That's the overhand method as well as the underhand method. And that's honestly just flat twisting either towards your face or away from your face. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I personally like to start off by sectioning my hair and pre-parting everything just so that I have the neatest of the neatest braids. Flat twist. After I section everything off, I go ahead and spray my hair with water because I cannot work on dry hair. And I slap some jam on my hair and then I go over it with some gel. This is going to make sure that my flat twist is laying down very sleek, very chic on foot. Underhand twist is going to be twisting towards our face. We're going to grab these two small pieces of hair and go ahead and twist regularly going towards your face. But once you twist all the way around, you're going to grab a piece of hair that will be sitting behind your twist and add that in. So while you're twisting going back, you're going to continue to add hair from the scalp into your twist. Here you're going to just repeat the process, which is basically twisting and twisting towards your face. However, you're going to add pieces of hair in while you continue to twist back. And this is of course going to make your twist form against the scalp. When you overhand twist, you're going to do the exact same method and the exact same steps. However, you're going to be twisting away from your face. So you will start off by twisting away from your face or twisting up in this case.
About being a member of the Information Society. That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.